Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for navigating social media like a pro. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to check a buyer's rating on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. Whether you're selling your old gadgets or hunting for bargains, knowing a buyer's reliability can save you from headaches and ensure safer transactions. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on the app or website. This feature has been updated in 2025 for better user experience, so updates might vary, but I'll walk you through the basics. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping on the Marketplace icon. It's that little shop symbol at the bottom of your screen. Once you're in Marketplace, browse listings or search for what you want. When you find a listing that interests you, tap on it to view the details. Now, here's the key part. Look for the seller's or buyer's profile information. In 2025, Facebook has made it easier. Scroll down or tap on the user's name to access their profile. On their profile, you'll see a new Ratings and Reviews section, prominently displayed near the top. Tap into that section, and you'll get a breakdown of their ratings as a buyer or seller. It shows stars, comments, and even a history of transactions. Pro tip: pay attention to recent ratings, as they reflect current behavior. If you're the one selling, always check this before agreeing to a deal to avoid flaky buyers. One common mistake is confusing buyer ratings with seller ratings. Make sure you're viewing the right one. Also, if you don't see ratings, it might mean the user is new, so proceed with caution. And there you have it. Checking buyer ratings on Facebook Marketplace is straightforward once you know where to look. This simple step can make your online buying and selling a lot safer. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.